trying to win your heart, trying to get to where you are. And I would live a million lonely lifetimes if I knew I could get back to you. Yeah, I just wanna get back to you. May take some time. I don't wanna find no one but you in my arms. If it's a test, I'm doing my best, but it gets hard being without you, being without you. I would walk a million lonely miles to look you in the eye, have you here by my side. Swim every ocean, fight till I'm broken. I just wanna get back to you. Yeah, I just wanna get back to you. May take some time. I don't wanna find no one but you in my arms. If it's a test, I'm doing my best, but it gets hard being without you, being without you, being without you, being without you. One day that sun's gonna shine down, dry every tear that we've cried, calm every fear on my mind now, until I find I'm not without you, I'm not without you, I'm not without you, I'm not without you, I'm not without you.
엄마 자두 가져.
지금 못 써도 다 좋아하는 것 같아.
거기는
How do I deal with what I'm feeling? Maybe I just don't. What you do when I'm in ruins, all alone. I'm all alone, and I know nothing to do helps me forget about you. You just came out of the blue. If you only knew that didn't have a cup of coffee, let's go to a restaurant, go to a field, pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. Didn't have a cup of coffee, let's go to a restaurant, to a field, pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. Didn't have a cup of coffee, let's go to a restaurant, to you forever, loving till eternity. I see you, can't you see what you're doing to me? The way you got me, baby, it's like I can't even breathe. You're all that I need, and I know nothing I do helps me forget about you. You just came out of the blue. If you only knew, let's sit and have a cup of coffee. Let's go to a restaurant, go to a field, pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. Sit and have a cup of coffee. Let's go to a restaurant, to a field, pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. Sit and have a cup of coffee. Let's go to a restaurant, to a field, pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. And maybe let's fall in love. Then maybe let's fall in love. Then maybe let's fall in love.
The catalyst of creation, known to some as the Big Bang.
Said that you've been hurt one too many times before. Ended up staring in the bathroom mirror